Scrapper Green here again. Now, I just can't remember if I ever showed you this, but in a quick 2 minutes, take a look at this. We've got 14-3 wire. It's already stripped off of the outer sheathing. We've got red, black, white. It's all twisted up. If you have any lengths of this other than a foot or so, it starts to be a problem trying to untwist it. So what I do is I take a little hook, put a little hook on my drill. Let's put the drill in the camera. See, I've made a little hook. Hook it up. Stretch it out on the vise. Whoop. Whoop. And we're basically unwound. There we go. Basically unwound, a little bit of tension residual in it. Pull the copper out quickly. The bare copper. I'll get one of the copper top boys to bundle that up for me right away.
Okay.
Now we've got the three stands basically separated. I can see there's some nicks on these because they were in that outer sheeting of the 14-3, and because I used my knife as opposed to the TNT wire stripper, sometimes it gets a nick. Put my TNT wire stripper in. Obviously, if I had a whole lot of wire to do at once, I wouldn't be tooling up job by job. Push in the red, grab it with a plier, get it going. Yeah, there's those nicks. I'll probably start on stripping on the other side. Put it in. And the white. As I mentioned in other videos, I'm sure with the TNT stripper, you bend it, pop the elbow out. It is a little bit finicky. It doesn't matter what wire stripper you use. It always has a problem. I'm going to pass that off to one of the copper top boys to finish pulling. And I'll work another one. There we go. And we're and if I don't have too many nicks on this, it's that quick. Oh, looks like I'm going to be able to get it off. Oh, there's the nick. That's the problem when you nick the wire. There we go. So I don't know how long it took to untwist that 10 feet. Oh. Don't know how long it took to untwist that 10 feet, but there we go. All done. Where's that other piece of wire, copper top boy? It's already in the bucket. There we go. Done. Signing off. Rocky, the copper top boy, step into the camera. He was my assistant today. Notice, glasses, hold up your hands. Gloves. That's the way we do it. Take safe. Be safe. Bye now.